Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your product schema for rich results on Google. Start by accessing your website's code. Identify the pages where your products are listed. Locate the current schema markup in your HTML. If you are using a CMS like WordPress, check for dedicated plugins that can help with schema. Ensure your schema follows the latest guidelines from schema.org. Use Google's Structured Data Markup Helper to create or modify your schema. Select the appropriate type of schema, in this case, product. Highlight the relevant data on your product page, such as name, description, price, and availability. Assign the correctly matched schema attributes to your highlighted element. Once complete, generate the schema code. Copy the generated code and replace the old schema in your HTML. Validate your updated schema using Google's Structured Data Testing tool. Address any errors or warnings that may appear during validation. Ensure that your schema includes additional properties like offers and aggregator rating if applicable. After validation, implement the updated schema on your live site. Submit your updated pages to Google Search Console to expedite indexing. Monitor the performance of your schema updates in the Search Console. Check for rich results in Google Search to confirm successful implementation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.